Hey everybody, are you ready for a quick 10-minute or less ab burner? Of course you are. That's why you're here. So let's just get to it, shall we? Today, we are going to be doing 3 different movements in an ascending and descending ladder, and we are going to be working in intervals. So you'll get a work time and a rest time. You are going to be doing 30 side plank rotations on your right. And then you are going to be doing 40 alternating V-ups, and then 50 sit-ups. Then we go back down. We got 40 alternating V-ups and then 30 side plank rotations on your left. Lots of things, don't worry, we'll go over all of them. But the cool thing about this workout is you'll be working for 40 seconds, then you'll rest for 20 seconds, then you'll pick up where you left off and keep moving for another 40 seconds, then rest for 20 seconds, then pick up where you left off, etc., etc., etc. So don't worry, there's a 10-minute time cap on this. So we're gonna be done whether you finish the work or not in 10 minutes. For the side plank rotations, these are going to be weighted or unweighted. You decide how you want to do this today, my friends. I'll be doing unweighted in the video, but make sure you check out the card right there, and it's going to show you a bunch of different modification options for you. If you're going to be doing it on the floor, or if you're going to be doing it on an elevated surface, you do you, my friends. Alternating V-ups. Make sure you check out the card right there, and these can be weighted or unweighted as well. It depends on how hard you want to push. I'm going unweighted because I just want to get through them. And sit-ups. There are so many modifications for sit-ups. You know what you got to do. Check the card. You can do these with or without weight today. Again, your choice. If you are doing a modification that requires you to help grab with your legs, or if you're pulling with a band, I would probably say let's not add weight to that because it's kind of hard to find somewhere to hold, and it's already enough of a push, so you should be good just to do regular sit-ups. But if you ninja option it and you are not doing a modification, you can totally choose whether or not you want to add weight today. It's all up to you. All right, guys, I'm going to encourage you to pause this video, rewind back to check out all of the cards, figure out how you want to be doing these movements. It's a lot. So make sure you know how you're going to modify as they get harder, as your abs start to say, why are you doing this to me? This is a lot. Make sure you're ready to modify because we don't want to quit unless there is pain. Pain bad, sore good. We always listen to our body when it's got pain, and then you can stop. But otherwise, check out those cards, gather anything that you might need if you are gonna go weighted today, from soup cans to water bottles, to books, to stuffed animals or pillows, it doesn't matter. Dumbbells, all of that will work if you are adding weight. Practice a few of each one, and then come on back and let's get this done, shall we? All right, welcome back. You ready? 10-minute time cap on this, which means we've got 10 rounds to work in. 40 seconds of work, 20 seconds of rest. You are going to start on 30 side plank rotations on your right side. Work on those for 40 seconds. Then you will rest. Then when the rest is up, you will either pick up where you left off on the side plank rotations, or you will move on to 40 alternating V-ups. Either way. Work on those for 40 seconds and then rest for 20. Then when you pick back up, either at the V-ups or going to the 50 sit-ups. Once you complete 50 sit-ups, we go back down to 40 alternating V-ups and finish with 30 side plank rotations on the other side. All right, shall we do this? Let's go. 10 seconds. Starting on side plank rotations on your right. Elevated or on the ground. Here we go. 1, go. Nice and steady. You got it, my friends. Just chipping away at them. 10 seconds.
3, 2,
1. Rest. Okay, we got 20 seconds. You're gonna pick up where you left off. So whether that's still doing side plank rotations or if you've moved on to alternating V-ups, pick up where you left off. All right, how's it feeling? Shake everything out as we're getting ready to go. 3, 2, 1, go. Wherever you left off. How's that feeling? Tight core.
Ten seconds remaining.
Keep moving. I just needed to come down for a second. My wrist is bugging me. Here we go. Try to get through these.
3, 2, 1. Rest.
I got 29. All right, my friends. If you are faster than me, you should be moving into those V-ups. If you are right with me, I've got one left. If you are behind me, that's okay. Pick up where you are and just keep moving. We got lots of time ahead of us.
3,
we can do this.
2,
Here we go.
1.
My last on this plank. And I'm moving on to V-ups. Here we go. 40 alternating V-ups. You got it, guys.
10 seconds remaining.
As these get harder, remember, modify before quitting.
3, 2, 1.
Rest. All right. Whew, how you abs feeling? Awesome. Picking up where you left off. If you're done with the 40 V-ups, you are going to go into 50 sit-ups. So fun.
3,
Here we go.
2,
Pick up where you left off.
go.
Don't forget to breathe.
Ten
These are getting
seconds remaining.
spicy.
3, 2, 1. Rest.
Rest. How are you guys feeling? I got 36. I got 4 in the next round. And then we're moving on to sit-ups. If you finish the 50 sit-ups, you're going right back down the ladder, back to 40 V-ups. The second round's the hardest. Oh, so fun. Here we go.
1. Go.
Go. All right, there's my 40. Now I'm going in to 50 sit-ups. You got it, guys.
Ten seconds remaining.
Come on, keep pushing.
3, 2, 1.
Rest. The rest is really just our dance break. How you guys feeling? How are your abs? If they get tight, press them out, push them the opposite direction. Picking up where we left off.
2.
Here we go.
1. Go.
Come on, guys. You're doing great.
10 seconds remaining. 3, 2, 1.
Rest. I'm at 32. If you get through the 50, you're moving on to the 40 alternating V-ups. If you can get through the 40 alternating V-ups, you're back to 30 planks on the other side. My brain went totally shot there. Plank twist.
3,
Oh my goodness. Here we go.
1. Go.
It happens. All right, this is my last sit-up. Trying to get through these
10
V-ups. Here we
seconds
go.
remaining. 3, 2, 1. Rest.
Rest. Ooh, I'm just gonna lay here and stretch my abs a second. How you guys feeling? We've only got 3 more work intervals. So if you are kind of slowing down and lagging a little bit, kick it into high gear for these last few rounds.
3,
You got this.
2,
Here we go.
1. Go.
Modify if you need to get them done. I am.
Ten seconds remaining. 3,
30.
2,
All right.
1.
Rest. All right, we got 2 work intervals left. I finished my V-ups. You ready? Picking up where you left off. Start pushing. Here we go. I'm on my left
3,
side.
2, 1. Go.
You got it, guys. Here we go. Last 2 rounds. Come on, my friends.
Ten seconds
Come on,
remaining.
guys.
Three, two, 1. Rest.
All right, guys, this is our last work interval right here coming up. If you can't finish it in time, that's okay. You'll know for next time where to push yourself. If you do, awesome. If you're done, great. Don't forget to stretch, but we got 1 more 40-second interval.
3,
You ready?
2, 1.
I'm gonna be cutting it close to finishing, so here we go. Struggling with my feet, which is gonna make it even worse. Oh my gosh. It's gonna be one of those days.
Ten seconds remaining.
10 seconds left, guys. Oh, there's my 30.
3,
Almost there. 2, 1,
Rest.
rest. Because it's gonna count it down. We're just gonna go ahead and stop it because we don't have any more rest or any more work. Alrighty, guys. Great job. Like I said, if you did not finish all of the work in those 10 intervals, that's okay. Make note of where you got. Keep track of it somewhere. Say, man, this is only as far as I got. And be proud of that. That's okay. Because then you can do it again in a month or 2 months or whenever and see if you can beat your score. That's the great thing about working out is there's always opportunities to get better. And this could be one of those. You can also always do it again even if you did finish and see if you can get done faster. Or do it with weight next time. Whatever. Push yourself. Make your workout your own. So let's stretch out really fast for these. One of the best stretches is Sphinx or Up Dog. So we can go right here. We're gonna press our chest into the ground while pushing our shoulders up to the sky. If that's a little too intense, you can drop it down to your elbows, but we're not just chilling here watching TV. We're pressing our elbows into the ground, sternum into the ground while our shoulders go up to the sky, getting a nice long stretch in the abs, all the things. One of my favorite stretches to add in, especially after being in that side plank position, is child's pose. Holding it right here. If you want to add a little twist just to give it a little something something, you can look under your armpit, twist each direction. Alrighty guys, well done. If you enjoyed this workout, make sure you like it, subscribe to my channel, share it out, and check out the next video in my abs program. Friends, enjoy the rest of your day, and I will see you soon.